Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Nowadays, as lockdown is going on, or for any security purpose or for personalizing our PDF files, we want that there should be a watermark behind our PDF file. So how we can put that PDF file, how easily we can put that PDF file, I'm going to show you. There's a very interesting software app called as PDF Utils. Okay, so what we are going to do, I'm just showing you the full step. We are going to write here in Play Store, write PDF Utils, search it. Then you can see that this PDF util file will come here. You have to download. I have already downloaded, so this open portion is coming here. So I'm just clicking on this open. It is very small file of 6.4 MB or 5 MB, very easy. It is having very unique and great features that really help us in our day-to-day work. Suppose I have to send some chapters of I am having a book, PDF file book, and I want to send some chapters to someone. So there is a very interesting feature of split. You can see this split one. You can take to one file and split it into two. But right now I am just showing you the features. I am going to show you how to add watermark. You can merge PDF files and images. You can extract images from a PDF file. You can password protect your file. You can remove password protection also. Okay, you can make a PDF file to image file. You can do that also. Now I am coming to my portion that I want to tell you is how to add watermark to a PDF file. So here we are having a add watermark. There are two options, like you can add a text also and image also. First I will show you how to add a text watermark. So click on text. Here you will have a watermark text what you want to write here. So I just want to write my school name. Now from here you have to choose your PDF file. So I have chosen this class 10th Phillips, some file was there with me, so I have taken that. Now here you can have the rotation angle, how you want the text to appear, what is the alignment. I want it in the center, okay, top, center. You can change the writing style also. You can increase or decrease the file size. You can change the opacity. Opacity means darker and lighter. If you are going down, it will become lighter. If you go further, it will become darker. You can choose color of your background, that watermark, whatever color you want. Choose one color. Then go click on create PDF. It will ask for a name. So I will write here class 10. Now go and see. Now see my Aurum the Global School. This is coming to all the pages. It was so easy. Now again I am going and showing you how you can add a watermark of image here. So you have to take one image. Okay, so right now suppose I want this image to be at the background. Okay, though I will request you to take your school's logo or such kind of thing if you are using for school purpose. Then click on browse PDF and take the PDF that you want. I am taking the same file. Here I will give another name. Give the new name to your file. This is what they ask for. So now the work is done. Click on PDF viewer. Now see, this image is coming as a background. If I want, I can decrease the opacity. This will come exactly as the background watermark as you see. There are many interesting features here. I hope you all will enjoy working on it. So do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.